Uh, the seventh question is there's a company called Next Computer, and all marketing in the company is done using a computer software. The software is used with the database to store the data. The product table of that database is given below. So this is the table of the product product table, and there are 10 rows. And the first requirement is create a database named Next Computer to save the data in the product table. And the second one is create a table name product in the database and follow the instructions below to create a table. So the instructions are, there are one two sorry yeah, 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 attributes, and the id attribute contains the primary key, and it has to be auto incremented, and the data type must be int, and the brand data type must be varchar with 45 characters. And the model also must contain 45 characters. The quantity must be in int data type, and the price must be in double data type. So I already created this table here. The id is int, the brand name is varchar, the model is varchar, quantity price. I can redo the some rows here. uh, Brand is varchar 45, add a column, model varchar 45, quantity must be in int value. Let's see, qty int integer, and the last one, the price, it should be in the double value. And let's see if it works or not. Yeah, it worked completely, but we have lost our data, unfortunately. But it's not a big deal, you can still I'm going to enter data again. uh, and yeah, I have entered the data. I have completed the data entering process. So we can move on to the next question. The fourth one is the owner of this store has identified the Lenovo brand as the least sold computer brand in this company. So he has decided to remove the Lenovo brand from his store. Write the relevant query to statement to remove the Lenovo brand. So basically they are trying to saying remove the product which has the brand name Lenovo. So it's a delete query. So I'm going to say delete I want to say delete from, you have to mention delete from who, delete from the database name, next computer, and the table name product. So where, so you have to say where, you have to mention the brand name, brand is equal to Lenovo. So I'm going to copy this part and paste it over here, and if we run this query, it eventually remove the product which has the brand name Lenovo. So we have finished the fourth one. The fifth one is the S brand ROG Cypress M15 laptop is no longer manufactured, so it has been decided to remove this laptop from the database. Write the query, delete query statement. So it's also same, you have to select delete delete a product by using its model name. So I'm going to say the model name is ROG sorry ASUS is the brand name. Sorry, we have to mention which attribute we are going to select here. In this case, the model is the attribute, and also you have to mention the product ID, because there can be the ROG Cypress M15 can be created by several companies, several brand names. So you have to specifically say which one I'm gonna say. So you have to mention the ID as well. ID is equal to 2. So we can specify, and um, we can make sure we are deleting the right table, otherwise we will make a huge mistake and it will become a huge problem. So I have executed the query. If we refresh, you can see the ID number 2, it has been deleted from this table. So yeah, we have finished the fifth one of the seventh question. So yeah, thank you for watching.